Hi all. In this video we will tell you how to register in Swamp web wallet. Go to the swampcoin.club website. And then go to main menu section, then click Web Wallet. At page that opens, click to registration. To register we need receive email message with link for account creation confirmation. Attention, this important, you not need use popular email services, since they do not accept messages sent via direct send mode. To receive confirmation message, we recommend use temporary email services. Link for this, temporary email services, is on registration page. Follow link to TempMail, here we instantly get temporary email address. In any case for using web wallet email we need only once during registration. Then press copy and return to web wallet page. Next fill registration form. Then press execute. See registration completed successfully. Try log into account. Fails because account not activated. For activation go to TempMail page. Open incoming message. Click activation link. In the window that just opened, we see that account has been successfully activated. Let's refresh page. And then, try log into account again. Now all good, entered web wallet account. Let's switch to dark theme. See 0 coins on balance. To test wallet, let's take some coins from faucet. Click receive button. Window opens showing address. Copy our address. Go to faucet menu section on swampcoin.club website. Paste address that we just copied. Click to confirm that we are not robot. Click claim random payout. At next return to web wallet. Refresh page. See that some coins appeared on balance, which means that everything working fine. If you have any questions about this guide or any other topic related to working with Swampcoin, you can ask in community's official social networks. Links to it in description under video. Thanks for watching.